Okay, so details, details, details. So the more detailed the writing, the more believable it is to the reader. Up until a point, too much detail, and it gets distracting all over the place. They need details before they can imagine it. Imagine it. When you provide information, description, to the audience, they can picture it in their mind more explicitly, more vividly. So let's take this little sentence here. She reached for a slice of pizza to nibble on. She reached for a slice of pizza to nibble on. It works. Gets to the point. We know what's happening. Very good. But let's use adjectives and adverbs so it is more suggestive as what's happening, more descriptive. She suddenly reached for a fat slice of tasty, yummy, pizza to eagerly, nibble, eagerly, in anticipation, waiting, So suddenly, suddenly, fat, tasty, yummy, eagerly. Nice. It shows that she's hungry without telling the audience she was hungry. She suddenly, eagerly. Why? The audience understand she was hungry without you saying she was hungry. Full stop. No. This is how you show, don't tell. You show the audience what's happening. You don't tell them exactly what's happening. Yes. Okay. Let's look at precise and exact with descriptions within the word. So she grabbed a slice of oversized pizza and stuffed it in her mouth with her small fingers. Oversized pizza with her small fingers. So she grabbed an oversized pizza and stuffed it in her mouth with her small fingers. Okay? So grabbed, oversized, stuffed. I like this little comparison here, this oversized pizza and small fingers. I like that. So small little fingers and this massive pizza. Nice little nice little contradictory idea there. Massive pizza, small fingers. Nice. And let's look at different choices to give a different feel. Feel. She cautiously stretched for a flake of fattening pizza. Flake of fattening pizza. And sneakily threw it in her mouth. Sneakily, cautiously, a fattening pizza. Yeah, as more of a essence there of what's happening, what's going on. Sneakily, cautiously. Yeah. So how cool is that, Language Explorers? So details. Talk in detail as to what's happening. To explain what's happening. Don't tell the audience she was hungry. She was hungry. Full stop. No. You show them she cautiously reached for a slice of fattening pizza and stuffed it in her mouth with her tiny fingers. And then went for another one, looking around left and right, up and down. No one was nearby, or was there? The third one tempted her. The third slice tempted her. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.